Hello everyone, welcome back. This is my new place. I was busy for the last 2 months packing up, moving, and installing this wall vinyl, but today I have a Sephora haul for you. The Beauty Insider Appreciation event happened early, so I got to pick up some lipsticks that I had been dying to try. I hadn't cared for myself well the last few weeks, so I really wanted to treat myself and splurge on some Pat McGrath lipsticks. I picked up 1995, which is to me one of the most wearable out of the matte trance lineup. This one is unusual because I didn't expect it to lean more pink on my lips. I love how smooth, creamy, long wearing it is. I have very, very dry, sensitive lips, and this makes my lips feel so comfortable. And in case you guys didn't know, this Sephora event basically celebrates the relaunch or updates to their Beauty Insider program. So that basically means more points, more choices, more rewards. And it also comes with a discount. That's why I purchased a second lipstick. This is the Pat McGrath Luxe Trance lipstick in La Beija. So as much as I love 1995, I've started to wear lipsticks that are a deeper color, so more camely, less nude. Right now I layered La Beija first and then put 1995 on top. Now, if you are shopping online, yes, Rouge is the discount code. If you are a Rouge level member, you get 20% off. If you're a VIB member, you get 15% off with the code YESVIB, and you'd start shopping on August 30th. Now basically August 30th is all Beauty Insider member access. Insiders get 10% off with the code YESINSIDER, but even still, I think getting the tax off of a lipstick this expensive, it kind of helps you justify and assuage the guilt. It's been a while since I've even repurchased a Tom Ford lipstick. I actually think that these are much more worth the money, and they're Sephora exclusive, so it's not like you can really get them anywhere else. That's why if you live in the US or Canada, you might as well take advantage of the opportunity to snag a couple for yourself. Now moving on to eyeshadow, because I've actually been wearing quite a lot of it. I've been practicing that whole blown out look, and I have been loving Viseart's Theory palettes, and I wanted to try something with a little bit more color, so I decided to give Siren a go. It's warmer, more corally, more orangey. Now this Viseart 10 palette is definitely a little different. This is not as travel friendly, but these are 10 eyeshadows that I definitely find myself reaching for. Part of the reason why I love these Theory palettes so much is that they're very thin, lightweight, and travel friendly, but they give you a lot of product. This, however, just happens to suit my fancy more because I prefer matte eyeshadows on the day-to-day. This 10-pan palette is definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. Now for my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Complex. This is a new eye cream that's kind of like a gel and it's kind of like a cream. So it's a hybrid. I'm not scared of aging, but I do want to age gracefully, and I have noticed that my skin is less bouncy. It doesn't respond as well to eye creams, so especially if it's really heavy, it can actually just make my eye area look worse. But this is a nice light eye cream, and I definitely think it's a step above all the other eye creams from Estee Lauder that I've tried. Now for some more old and new, this is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. This is an old product, a cult classic, if you will, but I needed to restock on this. It really does help to keep oily bits at bay. There isn't another loose powder that I personally feel is quite as mattifying as this one without drying out my skin. I don't use it all over my face, but I do like to keep this at home for touch-ups, especially for my T-zone. Now I got adventurous and I wanted to try the new glow version of this loose powder, and it is very pretty, but I only use it with a large fluffy eyeshadow brush, not a face brush, because the very first time I kept packing it on because I couldn't really see the shimmer quite as much as I would wanted to, and then oops, I put on way too much. I had to take all my makeup off and start over. So as pretty as this is, I might just end up mixing the two and seeing if I can create a custom blend powder for myself. Okay, so if it wasn't for this whole Beauty Insider Appreciation event, and more importantly, the discount, I probably would not have purchased this brand new Stila Bronzed Belle Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. I love wearing Kitten Karma in my inner corner, but Bronzed Belle is actually actually really fun on top of the lid. To me, this is a very affordable, more convenient way to use glitter. Now, last but not least, to wrap up this haul is my Kevyn Aucoin The Eyelash Curler. And I know a lot of people don't even use eyelash curlers, but to me, this one is special. Firstly, it has a very plush red pad, which makes it easy to find. It never pinches my eyelashes, and it works really well with my false lashes. It gets through to them, especially the really long ones like from Velour. All right, everyone, that is a wrap for my Sephora haul. Definitely take advantage of this Beauty Insider event if you haven't already. Do keep in mind that the discounts don't apply to taxes, shipping, and some exclusions apply, but the codes are redeemable once online, unlimited in store. So I'm definitely gonna go back and pick up some shampoos or order some more of those Pat McGrath lipsticks. All Beauty Insider member access happens August 30th to September 3rd. So that means whether you are Rouge, VIB, or just a Beauty Insider, everybody gets to shop. I'll be back with my August favorites next, and I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye.